How to make money through Tripadvisor affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about how you can make money through Tripadvisor affiliate program. So in order to make money through Tripadvisor, you have to sign up or become a member of Tripadvisor affiliate program as an affiliate marketer. So all you have to do is just sign in to become a member and just click on sign in and just fill out the required information such as your website detail, traffic statistics and your payment references, and wait for the approval from the Tripadvisor's team, which typically takes few business days. And once approved, you will receive access to your affiliate dashboard and unique tracking link to start earning commission. So Tripadvisor pays its affiliate commission based on click for every click or transaction that is made through your unique affiliate link. You will be given a percentage upon joining the affiliate program. The commission rate will be 50% of the amount Tripadvisor makes from every hotel booking, but as the conversion rate increases, the commission may reach up to 80%. For comparison, take a look at the following table for some travel affiliate programs and their commission rates as well. So as you can see, there are different affiliate program listed at the left hand side and the commission rates and key duration. So for example, the World Nomads is the commission is at around 10% for 60 days and Booking.co has around 4%. And as you can see from the same list, Tripadvisor has around 50% of the commission rate, which is quite high or as equal to as Kaika. But when you see the cookie duration, you will see that Kaika has at least 30-day cookie duration, and whereas Tripadvisor has only 14 days. From this data, you can see that Tripadvisor has the highest commission rate among other prominent competitors in the travel industry. Additionally, affiliate usually earn between $0.15 to $0.75 per click out. The program also pays a 3% commission of the hotel booking value for every successful instant booking. For instance, if a customer referred by a publisher pays around $1,000 for a hotel on Tripadvisor's website, the publisher will receive at least $30 up to 30 days after the customer's check-in. Tripadvisors pay the affiliate commissions 30 days after the booking is made. The good news is that Tripadvisor's tracking cookies don't expire until 14 days. This means even if a customer doesn't make a purchase immediately after clicking the affiliate link but comes back and books within 14 days, you will still be get paid. So this is basically how you can earn commission and make money through Tripadvisor's affiliate program. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.